Okay, guys, Daryl here doing another Riddler 99 box break. This time I'm doing a box of 2011-2012 Upper Deck SPX hockey that ended tonight on eBay. That is January 17th. Ended between 9 and 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The last team that ended was the Winnipeg Jets, ended at 9:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to show you the time right now. It is Thursday, January 17th at 10:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so we're about an hour and 20 minutes since the last one ended. I'm going to start doing the breaks on the same nights at the end, and then that way they're ready to go. Should everybody's payments get in time. It usually doesn't happen on this night, but at least tomorrow morning I can start releasing some of them right away when I'm up. So, I'll show this to you right here. It's serial number is NE95741632. I'll show you the box, show you the serial, if it'll come in. Hasn't yet. Autofocus. Some days it's great, some days it's a pain. Huh, doesn't like me right now. I was doing okay before. Come on, autofocus. There we go. NE95741632 matches up for me. If you're at 1080p on YouTube, full screen, you should be able to see that no problem. It is, of course, a sealed box of SPX. It's actually the first box out of a fresh case of SPX. So let's get going. I want to thank everybody for participating in the break and wish everybody good luck in advance here. We'll do the ice pack last. Quite like SPX this year. It was a good product, I think. Especially the last case, I pulled a Lemieux Malkin number 4 out of 5 dual auto. Amazing. Alright, base cards are not shipped with this break. Bouwmeester, Horton, Decoy, Chris Stewart, Thomas Plekanec. Tim Thomas, Zach Parise, Decoy, Bufflin, and Eric Stahl. Stephen Weiss, Steve Mason. We have dual jersey winning combo for the Colorado Avalanche, Patrick Waugh and Ray Bourque. Patrice Bergeron and Nick Lidstrom. Oh, sorry, I let the autofocus kick back in there. Pavlik, Marc-Andre Fleury. Winning materials also for the Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene. Colorado box so far. Backstrom and Latendresse. Taylor Hall, Martin St. Louis, Decoy, Alex Ovechkin, and Daniel Briere. Shea Weber, Carey Price, Decoy, Ryan Kessler, and Jeff Carter. Tyler Seguin, Peter Mueller, Decoy, Getzlaff, and Daniel Sedin. Pack. Mangled up, but cards will be okay. Hemsky, we have a rookie for the Philadelphia Flyers out of $4.99, whose name I cannot pronounce. Harry Zolnierczyk. Number 468 out of 4.99 for the Flyers. Decoy, Kessel, and David Booth. Gabrick, Marleau, Decoy, Semin, and Giroux. Oh, Sorry, autofocus wasn't in there. All base, anyhow. Oliver Ekman-Larsson, Jordan Staal. We have finite rookies for the Edmonton Oilers. Out of $4.99, Anton Lander. I don't know if he's going to make the team this year. I'm a huge Oilers fan, and I don't know. Berglund. It might be better for him and Pajärvi to be down on the farm, to be honest, from an Oilers perspective. Speaking of which, I haven't mentioned it lately in the last couple of videos, but, sorry, I'll read these first. Chara, Backes, Decoy, Tavares, and Sedin. I don't know if anybody's heard, but the NHLPA ruled that 2012-2013 products will not include the new rookies that start playing right now. So no Yakupov, no Galchenyuk, and all the rest there. So they're going to be including 13-14 products. So I'm going to be doing 11-12. Derek Stepan, Danny Heatley, Decoy, LeCavalier, and Bobby Ryan. I have not opened anything from 12-13 yet. Pavel Datsyuk, Malkin. We have flashback fabrics for the Vancouver Canucks. Ed Jovanovski. If we can get that to focus. For the Canucks. Patrick Kane, Joe McGinley. You might hear me yelling every now and then in future breaks too, because I'm going to have Oilers games playing beside me. Pajärvi, Stastny, auto rookie jersey for the Buffalo Sabres of Zach Kassian out of $7.99. Cannot make out the number. I think it says 707 out of $7.99. Steve Stamkos and Joe Thornton. Matt Molson, Jussi Jokinen for the Edmonton Oilers. Colton Tubert out of $7.99. Sidney Crosby and Matt Duchene. Oh. There we go. Rene, Jokinen, Decoy, Green, and JVR. Kuhlman, Louis Erickson, Decoy, Camilleri, and Vanek. Last regular pack, then on to the ice pack. Franson, Zetterberg, Decoy, Kiprusoff, and Luongo. Ice bonus pack. Good luck, everybody. Rene, Mason, Alfredson, Price, an Ice Premier rookie out of 1999, Ryan Ellis, Nashville Predators. So that's it for the box of SPX. I want to thank everybody for participating in the break. And, yeah, I have another box going tomorrow night, or tonight, depending on when you get this. So, every night this week. Have a great day or night, everybody.